Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add arrows to highlight important parts of your Canva designs? Canva Mobile allows you to add arrows and customize their style, size and thickness to match your design. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize arrows in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing design project or create a new design project. For this example, I'll create a new design, tap video, then choose the design type you want to use. Next, select a template to continue. Once the editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select elements. Choose arrows. Canva will display different arrow styles that you can use. Tap the arrow you want to add to your design. After adding the arrow, you can resize and move it to the position you want. You can also customize the arrow style and adjust the stroke weight. Choose the settings that match your design. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your design, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your design. And that's how to add and customize arrows in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.